John Deere L120 PTO wont engage. If I engage PTO and then get off seat, the PTO engages but the kill wire circuit kills the coil. Do you have a wiring diagram?
Good evening, here is a link to the manual you requested. Hope I was able to provide you with what you're looking for. https://www.deeratractors.org/store/product/John Deere L120 Lawn and Garden Tractor Service Manual download/. Looking to see if wire diagram is included. Here is another https://drive.google.com/file/d/1valka5qpg4pp6fntp9 Here is the wiring diagram you requested. https://therepairmanual.com/John Deere/John Deere L105 L107 L120 LT133 LT155 LT166 Lawn Tractor Technical Manual TM2185/ This one has a wiring diagram. Hope this is what you were looking for. Glad to help. Thank you, Stephen. Let me know if this process was to your liking. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.